Welcome to Traffic. In today's video, I am going to do some mathematical series to find us. First one is to find the summation of square of the numbers serially, like 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, and so on. Let's see how to do. First, we'll open our C compiler, and here we'll write. First, we'll declare the variable int I for counter, and to collect the value of n, and sum to store the result, and we'll define the sum value as 0. Now we will collect the value of n from user. So first we'll write printf. Here enter a number. Okay, then we'll go to next line. Here we are going to write scanf function. As we are collecting integer value, so we will write here %d, and we are going to store it in place of n. Now we are going to use for loop. For I equal 1 semicolon, I less than equal to n semicolon, I plus plus, and inside the for loop we will write sum equal sum plus inside the bracket I into I, then semicolon. Now we will exit from the for loop, and here we are going to write a printf statement, and here we will write %d, and we will store it in we will display the value from sum, and at the last line as usual return 0. So this is the answer for the first program. Now let us see the output. Suppose the value of n is 50, so the output is 42925. This way we can do the first program. Now let's move to the second program. Here we have to find out the summation as 1 plus, then 1 plus 2, then 1 plus 2 plus 3, and so on till n series. Let's do it. At first we are going to remove the unnecessary lines, and here we have to create a nested loop. So first declare the variable int I for number of terms, then j for nested loop, means inner loop, and n to collect the value of n, and sum to store the result, and sum will be always as 0 because we are doing sum. If we do product, then we'll define the sum as 1. Now we'll collect the value of n, so printf, and here we will write enter a number, and after that we have to scan the number, so scanf. Here %d, then we will store it in n. Now we are going to create loop. For the first loop I equal 1, I less than equal to n, I plus plus, and inside this for loop we have another for loop. Here we will write 4 inside the bracket j equal 1, j less than equal to I, then j plus plus. Now condition is why j less than equal to I, because first time we have to just need 1, second time we have to do 1 plus 2, that's why we have to continue the loop till 2 only, third time till 3, that's why means I value will increment by 1 1, and here nested loop value will also increment, the limit will increment by 1 1. Now inside the inner for loop we are going to calculate the sum. So inside the curly braces we will write sum equal sum plus, and inside bracket we will write j, then semicolon. Now we'll exit from the loops, and here we are going to display the result. So we will write sum equal percent d, and the value is stored in sum, and the last line return O, then semicolon, and our program finished. This is the answer for question 2. Let's see how it's work. Enter a number. Suppose I am writing 3. The answer is 10. Now how 10? Because first time it will be 1 only, second term it will be 1 plus, then again 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 it is 3, so 1 plus 3 it will be 4, and again third term we already have 4, then again 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, again we already have 4, so 4 plus 6 it is 10, that's why the answer is 10. Now let's move to the question number 3. Here we have to calculate this series 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5 until 1 by n. Now to do this program, first remove the unnecessary parts. At first we have to declare the variable int. We are taking I for counter, then we will take sum to store the result. No, we will take n to collect the value of n. After it we will take the n sum as float, because it's a fractional number, that's why we need float. So float sum equal 0.0 semicolon. Now we'll collect the value of n, so printf enter a number, then slash n, and after that scanf statement, and here we are collecting integer value, so %d and stored it in n. Now our for loop for I equal 1, I less than equal to n, then I plus plus, and inside the for loop we have to do the calculation. So we will write it here, sum equal sum plus, and inside the bracket here it's like 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and so on. So we will write 1.0 divide I, then semicolon. At first what happened, the I value is 1, so it will be 1 divide 1. Second time it will be 1 divide 2, and all the number will be added to sum. And now we will come out from the loop and display the output. Sum equal %d, and it is stored in sum, and at last line it's return 0. So this way we can do the answer of question number 3. I think it is 3. Question number 3. Now let's run. Enter a number. Suppose our number is 10. The sum will be 0. Oh, we also have to do something while we are displaying the output. As the sum value is float, so we will not write %d. In place of d, we are going to write f. Now run again. Enter a number. So our number is 10. The answer is 2.92 something. But if we give as integer, we will get some different result. That's why whatever variable data type that format specifier should use. Now let's move question number 4. Here we have to do 1 into 1 by 2 into 2, means the number is divided by its square, like each time 1 by square of the next number, like 1 by 1, then 1 by 4, 1 by 9, 1 by 16, like that. Let's do it. In the same program we can do, just what we have to do, we have to add one extra I just after the I. Here we will write I into I. This will be the answer of question number 4. Let's run. Number is 10. The answer is 10. Let's enter some another number. 20. Answer is 20. While we are doing this one, that square part where we are writing I into I, we should keep in bracket. Now if we run the program and give the value as 10, we will get the output as 1.5 something. So this way we can solve the answer of question number 4. Now let's move to question number 5. Here we have to write a program to calculate the series. First it's like 1 plus, then next time 2 plus 2, means 2 will be plus added 2 times, 3 will be added 3 times, 4 will be added 4 times. So here we have to use for loop. Let's do it. First we'll remove the unnecessary parts and this 2 line also. Now here we will define the variables int, I for counter, then n to collect the value of n, and sum to store the result, and sum we will write as 0. At first we are going to use collect the value of n. So printf enter a number, then scanf statement. Here we are going to write %d and we will store it in n. After that for loop for, and here we will write I equal 1 semicolon, I less than equal to n semicolon, I plus plus, and inside this for loop we are going to calculate the values. So sum equal inside this for loop we need another for loop. So for, here we will require j, so we will take one more variable I, then j. Here we will write for j equal 1 semicolon j less than equal to I, then j plus plus. Now here why we are writing j equal less than equal I, because first time we have to add 1 one time only, then 2 two time, 3 three time, because we have to go in an incremental order, the limit. That's why we are taking the value as I. And inside this for loop we will do calculations. Here we will write sum equal sum plus, and inside the bracket sum equals sum plus we will write j, means first time the j value is not j, I. First time the I value will be 1 will be added to here. Second time the value will I value will be 2, so 2 will be added 2 time. Third time the I value will be 3, so 3 will be added 3 times to the sum. So this way we will do calculations. Now we will exit from all the for loops and we will write the output here. Printf sum equal %d, and the value is stored in sum, and the last line it is return 0. So this is the answer of question number 5. Now let's run the program. Let's enter it as 3 and answer is 14. How 14? Because first time it's 1 plus, second time 2 plus 2 4 means 1 plus 4, third time 3 plus 3 plus 3 means it's 9. So 1 plus 4 plus 9, it is 14. That's why the output is 14. So this is the answer of question number 5. These are few programs which you can do by using mathematical series. These are the questions, and if you want the flowcharts of these programs you can write in comment sections. I will try to give it. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.